Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need access to an account with permission to end tasks, so save any work first. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager immediately. This is the fastest route. Once done, note why you opened it. To view running apps, check CPU or memory use, or stop a frozen program. If Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC fails, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and select Task Manager, or right-click the taskbar and pick Task Manager. These initial steps get you to the interface, where you can inspect processes and performance. Once Task Manager is open, start on the Processes tab to find apps or background processes using most CPU, memory, or disk. Click the Performance tab to see real-time charts for CPU, memory, disk, and network. This helps you diagnose spikes and trends. If you find a misbehaving app, right-click it to end task. Do this only when necessary, because you can lose unsaved data. You can also open the file location or set priority to temporarily adjust how the system schedules CPU time. After ending or adjusting tasks, watch the Performance tab to confirm resource usage drops and the system stabilizes. Move to the Details tab for finer control. Set affinity or priority when you need precise CPU assignment. If you changed Explorer, you can restart it from the Processes list to refresh the desktop. If Task Manager refuses to open, run Taskmanager. EXE from Run or boot into safe mode to troubleshoot. This tip helps when malware or corrupted profiles block normal access, and then you can repair or remove offending software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.